One of the major benefits of a platform like Cultivate is the ability to begin establishing relationships between connections, organizations, and even action items. As you begin to build out your network with the addition of connections and organizations, finding those common relationships between people like former colleagues, friends, and family can even be somewhat difficult to interact with. That is where Interconnections comes in. The Interconnections feature within Cultivate allows you to create a link between connections. When you add this connection, it essentially symbolizes that the two connections that you are linking have an existing relationship. It might be that they are friends, relatives, or simply just someone that you met at a party. Whatever the case, illustrating this relationship might prove useful in the future. To add a new interconnection, you must have at least two connections added to your profile. As you can see here, I have two existing connections. Now, I want to be able to tell Cultivate that these two connections are connected, as they are family members. To do so, I will open up one of the connections profiles. Next, click on the chain icon. This will prompt Cultivate to show the Interconnections tab. To enter the edit mode, simply click the edit button, which will allow an add button to appear. This is the interconnection interface. You can type to search within any and all of your connections. As I only have two at this time, I will select the first one. Next, as I stated earlier, I want to be able to establish a family relationship between these two connections. I will select Family from the drop-down below and then click Add Connection. To tell Cultivate that I am done modifying this profile, I need to click Done. Now we can see that Lauren is now an interconnection to Doug, and they have a family relationship. Furthermore, if I click on Lauren's name, go over to the Interconnections tab, I can now see that Lauren is now connected to Doug. Interconnections are only just a small piece of how Cultivate can help you begin to visualize your personal and professional network. While somewhat simplistic in their nature, it allows you to begin to construct a type of web of connections and contacts that you meet in your everyday life.